Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of an alternative luxury item. So a company that sells alternative luxury items by the name of Tikhubs. I will put all the details in the description box, so go straight there if you just want to get all of the specifics. They reached out to me and they asked would I be willing to share an unboxing video and review their bag. And of course, because honestly guys, I am so much more open. I'm much more open right now to different things and opportunities. As I mentioned, the direction of my content as well as my channel are changing, and I felt like this was just another opportunity to share. I'm definitely not a gatekeeper, so I'm going to give you guys all the information, and why not just unbox something to see what it is. I just thought this was a great opportunity to share something new with my audience. So as I mentioned, this is an alternative luxury item. You guys ready? Let's get into it. So I received this. So this is an alternative designer item of a Chanel classic flap in the small size. So it comes with the magnetic box, stickers on this box sharing like what the item is. So this is how it comes packaged. Here is the bag in the dust bag. So let me just set that down. In here we have some other things, so let's go through that. So first thing is a certificate of authenticity. The ribbon, have the little booklet. So I was able to pick what I wanted, which was nice. So again, it comes in this dust bag. Oh, I see it already. So here it is. So it's in plastic. Let's get that off. Here is the item. So let's just unwrap it all. The straps came wrapped up tightly. Okay, here is the item. This is an alternative luxury item to what is a Chanel classic flap in the small size in the color red, lambskin leather, and silver tone hardware. Again, lambskin leather, which I prefer to caviar leather. It's a smooth leather, silver tone hardware. You open it up, it does have the double flap. This is what the interior looks like. The back, the chain is adjustable, which pull it through this way. I want to get into really quick. Shipping took about 10 days to receive, and I live here on the East Coast. It took about 10 days to receive the item. Packaging was nice. It was like the box that I shared with you guys inside of like a plastic mailer. So that's how it arrived. You guys saw all of the packaging, how well packaged it is. As far as the quality, this bag looks very, very nice. I'm just still checking it out. The leather is super nice. I am not seeing any kind of visible like flaws, or I'm not seeing any visible like defects, flaws, or like issues with the bag at all. Like everything seems really nice. The zipper is nice and smooth. The bag obviously is new, so it's a little stiff, but come here. I've been wanting a small red leather bag, like bright red like this. So this was like perfect timing, especially for fall. I share the unboxing and kind of the information. So like I said, set about 10 days for it to arrive, and I'm on the East Coast. The bag to me is incredible, looks great. The price point of this bag would range about $350 US. So I mean, definitely look for less, if you know what I mean. definitely look for less. So those are the specifics. I'll leave all the information for you guys to check out below. A little discount for you guys. I'm gonna put a code here with this special discount code would get you a little extra discount, so some additional amazing savings. And yeah, I definitely recommend checking it out. Very smooth transaction, and I liked it. Also, I like browsing their site. Some sites are a little hard to navigate, I'll be honest, especially in this particular market as far as alternative luxury items. But this site is really laid out beautifully, and it was so easy to browse. So even if you're not really looking, just go browse. Definitely fun site to check out. So I highly recommend you guys giving it a look. Guys, I really want to know your thoughts in the comments section below. Like, what are we thinking about alternative luxury items, especially with this new mindset that I shared with you guys about how I feel personally right now about luxury shopping in general. I'd love to know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So definitely let's start up a conversation down there. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.